Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia Cardona espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up, replace the valve on the back of the machine, this one that you see right here. We replace the gaskets of the brew unit as well as the valve itself. We also descale this machine, give it a nice clean. We clean the hopper as well. We also clean the spouts and yeah, just give it a good tune-up. So starting one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing out this machine. And we're gonna be using the hot water. We will not be able to use any cappuccino or any drinks that require milk because we do not have the carafe of this machine. Forgot to mention that we also deep clean the hopper of the machine and we remove all the coffee. Now we can test the machine. As you can hear, the grinder is
You're also cute. I don't know. It's comforting when somebody's been doing this thing for 10 years.
nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. Really good color as well. Excellent color. Looking good. Good shot of espresso. And water for this machine, as you can see, the nice steady stream coming out of the one. Working excellent. Back is looking great. Inside the hopper, inside the coffee grounds,
Maybe for the whole quarter.
working the way it's supposed to. So there you have it, Gaggia Cardona working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing the coffee. Please subscribe.